In this tutorial, we are discussing about how to extend interface. We are already familiar with the interface and its concept, as we know that interface provides the 100% abstraction, and all the methods or the members inside the interface are don't contain any body, and the variables inside the interface are constant. Let's discuss how we extending interface in Java. Like classes, interface can also extend another interface. That means an interface can be sub-interfaces from other interfaces. We all know that if something extends the another thing, we consider it as a derived thing or a sub-interface. The same thing applicable with interface also. If an interface can be extend from another interface, then we can also say it as a sub-interface, that is one from another interface. The new sub-interface will inherit all the members of the super interface similar to subclasses. As we all know the concept of classes, superclass and subclasses, we all know that the derived classes have the properties to inherit all the properties from their parent class. And the same thing happens with the interfaces also. The sub-interfaces will inherit all the members of the super interface similar to subclasses. It can be done is using a extends. So the question is how we can extend the interface in Java. We can extend the interface in Java with the help of extends keyword. Yes, extends keywords play an important role for extending the interface in Java. Let's discuss about the syntax. It has the following general form: interface, that is a keyword interface, and then interface name 2 is the interface name, and then extends, and then interface name 1. Similarly, we can done this as in class name also, that is class and then class name extends and then child class name. In the same way, we can do it with the interface also. And inside the curly braces, we write whatever the body of the interface and then close the curly braces. So in this way we can create the interface. Let's discuss about the various form of extending interface. Just like a class extends a class, similarly an interface extends an interface. An interface extends multiple interface as well, and as just like here, interface C extends interface B and interface B extends interface A. So by default, interface C has the property of both B and A interface. In the same way, here in the diagram, interface B extends the interface A and interface C extends both the interface B and A. So in this way, we can these are the various form of extending the interface in Java. Here are some key points regarding the interfaces. An interface cannot extend class because it would violate rules that an interface can have only one abstract method and constant. We all know that interface are those things which provides the mechanism which provides the 100% abstraction. The same thing happens that if an interface, we can have abstract method and constant variables. So we cannot extend the classes because it violates the rules of an interface. An interface can extend interface 1 and interface 2. It can extend two interface as well with the comma separated. So let's see the code, or let's see the example how we can extend the interface in our program. Let's see how we extend the interface in our program. First of all, we create an interface A and define a method, that is void function A. And again we create another interface B which extends the first interface A and then write void function B. And then create a class. We all know that one interface extends the another interface, but one class implements the interface. Class implements interface, but interface extends interface. So again we create a class C which implements the interface B, and inside it we already know that if a class implements the interface, then it have to make the body of that functions. So it implements the B, so it has the property of both function interface A and interface B. First of all, it defines the body of function A, that is public void function A, which is inside the interface A, and just write this is a function A. And again it calls the public void function B, and inside it just write this is function B. And then again it create a class that is demo ex1, and inside the demo ex1 it creates the main method, and then call the object of class C, that is C object is equals to new C, and with the help of object class object it just call the function A and function B. So just save it and let's execute it. We are already in our location, so just write Zavac demo ex1.java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java demo ex1. See, it will give me the answer. This is function A and this is function B. So in this way, if we want to in if we want that an interface extends the another interface, we can use the extend keyword, similar as a class. Here A interface is a parent interface and B is a child interface. So B has all the property, or B has ability to inherit the property of the interface A. So in this way we can implement the extend keyword in Java. Thank you.